How to create a marketing plan. Create a marketing plan. Let's define what a marketing plan is. Marketing plan is strategic document outlines how business promote its products or services to its target audience to achieve specific goals. So you could say it's like a roadmap for marketing efforts, ensuring that all the resources are effectively utilized and all the results are measurable. Why do we need a marketing plan? The marketing plan is essential for any business because it provides clear direction and also ensures that the marketing efforts are organized, efficient, and aligned with the goals of the organization. How to create a marketing plan? I'm gonna give you my 3M framework to create a marketing plan. First, to identify what the mission is. What is the objective of the marketing? What are we hoping for? What why are we doing this? And what is the end goal? What is the end goal? And how will we know if we are successful? These are the questions you should ask in the marketing, in the mission stage. This is the first step of creating a marketing plan. Second M for the 3M marketing framework is message. In the messaging stage, it's time to we deep dive to offer what we are selling and market who we are selling it to. In this stage, the goal is to uncover your customer's biggest pain, problem, and frustrations. What are the things they're running away from, as well as their wants, goals, dream, desire, and all the things that they want to achieve. Third M of the triple M marketing plan framework is media. Where do my customers hang out and how should I get there? Question you should ask yourself in this stage are: where do my customers spend their time online? What social media do they use? What kind of content do they prefer? And how should I go find those people and advertise my product for effective marketing? The, the plan. That is it. This is the plan. If you like this video, this is pretty simple stuff. That's why the video is so short. That is it.